out. Dump them out. Good. Now the dump truck says, I'm out of here.
It's still here. It's still
Okay.
here.
I'll make the dump truck say I'm out of here. Now you scoop them up.
Oh, that's how pretty I want.
That's how many you want? Okay.
No. There. Why we can't do this? Zip way. Uh-oh. Here we go, pencils. A couple more let's to get. Okay?
Couple more pencils to get. Okay, drive them over.
How do this, Mommy?
We'll flip it back over the other side.
Okay.
Flip it down.
Flip this like that. Like that.
Well, flip it down. Here, let me show you. Yeah, and then you got to turn this thing over like that way. See?
What?
There we go.
Let's go.
There you go. Now drive it over.
That's gonna go in there. Uh-oh. Here we go, pencils. Here we go.
Yay! Hey Parker, who made you these trucks?
Happy.
Can you say thank you, Poppy?
Thank you, Papi.
Okay, bye-bye, Parker.
Is Papi on the phone?
Well, we're going to send this video to Poppy to thank him for the nice trucks. Say thank you, Poppy.
Thank you, Papi.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, let's turn it off.